Hello everyone, welcome back. So today what we are going to do is we are going to continue our React basics. So in this video what I am going to do is I will set up my local environment, and then I will go through some history, history specific to versions. So version different React versions. Then we will see some of the online development environment. If you just need to try something, you don't need to set up your local environment. You can use that online editors. So without further ado, I am going to the first slide. So I probably go to the slideshow. I don't know whether I need to show a slideshow or just going through this one. I guess it's better to going through each slide without a full screen slideshow. So React version history. So React came into picture in 2013. Before that, it was with Facebook. It was a Facebook private property before that. So is in Facebook, I guess it's released into 2011, but the open source, I mean, everyone can access since 2013. So the first version 030, it was in May 2013, and then there was some following releases. This is called early days because it's a version 0. And then in the significant shift, so basically so many changes happen between this early and significant shift. So in April 2016 the version 15 is introduced, and September 2017 version 16 is introduced, and later version 16 releases. So each version has its own importance, and also there are so many additional features added, especially on their boundaries or something. And in in 2020, it's going to be a modern React version 17 and version 18. March 2022, the version 18 is a major one right now. Most of the people right now using version 18. So that's that's all about the versions. So, and after that we can go to the second thing, that's setting up a React development environment. So setting up a React development environment, you need Node.js and npm. So install Node.js, download it, and install Node.js from official website. It's very easy. Or if you are using some yarn or chocolate or some mac pack some uh, package managers, you can use that too. And then create React app. You need to install create React app. So I will show you one thing. npm create React app. So if I am showing you something, create new React app. So if you are going through this documentation, you will get more information. But mm, this is the package we usually install to create React app. So this makes our development very easy. So without further ado, I'm going to demo something. But not a significant demo, but let me show you something. So here, where is my command line? So I am taking this one, and the first thing I need to have node version. So you can check your node version command. So this should be installed. And the npm that also need to be installed. Okay. Then after that, you need to have that npx create react app also installed. So if I npx create a react app, I need to install this one. Then after that, npx create react app, I can use any name here. So that's it. It works like a magic. It will create our react app with just three commands. Not three commands, node and npm you need to install, and create react app you need to install, and after that only one command. npm create react app, your app name, app UI, and you can use template if you're specific to some templates like TypeScript, you need to mention that here. Otherwise, you can remove this one. Then it's JavaScript only. So every files, every component is created as a JavaScript. So right now, that's we don't need TypeScript right now. So this will take couple of minutes, and during that time we can go to the sixth slide where you need a text editor and you need a development server. So if you are using Create React App, you, you probably will have that default, and you just run the command npm build. So I will have that command somewhere here. I guess I missed that one. Probably if I play my, I can, okay. I guess it's not showing up. Okay, anyway, so the version control. So that's a step called translation and bundling. Code translation means the code that you are typing should be in JSX or will be in JSX, and then that need to be transferred into JavaScript. That's npm build command. So we will see some of the things right now. So this is the one. So here, after creating my app, it's saying like if you want to build, you need to bundle the app into static files for production. You can use npm run build, or you can just use npm start. It will start my server. So what we can do right now is I need to go to my Visual Studio Code, and I will open that folder, and where we can see all the things. This is one of the application that I create yesterday. So, but I will go and show you guys the application that I create right now. So, need to find my exact path. So, it's in project level. Okay, that's fine. So, projects, learn. So, what is app that I created? The name, that's a, yes, I forgot app UI. Okay, So it comes inside my one of my application. That's basically not a good idea. So anyway, so what we're seeing here is like uh, every node application there should be a package. So for the React app also we will have a package, and that mentions some dependencies React DOM. In yesterday's video I mentioned something about React DOM. So when in React application development, it's going to be in the virtual DOM, and it's in a memory virtual DOM. Then it's need to be transferred into the actual DOM. That's going to be doing by React DOM. So that's only two dependencies that I added right now. It's a default dependencies. I have not added anything. You can add so many dependencies based on your requirement. I mean, since React is a library, it's a lightweight comparing to MVCs like Angular. So you need to add so many things from outside using the npm command install based on your requirement. So here there is a default app. You can remove anything. You can keep just div class, and you can try something. Try something. So this will be in our okay. This will be in our okay. I missed something here. Where is my window? Yes, I closed that window accidentally. Probably I need to go to CD projects, learn. Okay, ls command and cd jsx and cd. This is the app that we created, and you should go to inside that one. And here you can run npm start. So this command will start our server. So right now, try something. We have that. And that's all about the initial. So if you need a hello world demo, you just need to change this into a hello world. And from here on, everything is very simple. If you need to create a button component, you can create a folder. Usually we will create a folder like components. Then inside that one, we just create a file. I mean, uh, probably button, submit button or something. Since button is a default HTML element, it's better to create something more. Should be a good practice. Okay, so JS, and here what you need to do is like, since you are using React for the compilation, you need to import React. This is the only statement that you need. Only import you need, but further you need any statement here. Export function your function name, submit button. Then you can have something written, and we are coming into the JSX part here. So I'm saying like I need to add a HTML element, and inside there can add child element, and I can save this one. So I had this export function submit button, and I am going back to my application here, and I am going here. I'm just adding a submit button here and closing that tag and saving here, and I'm going back to my browser. So that's all. So you can see that element here. So it's very easy to develop using React. So that's all about that React demo. And let me check where we reach in our slides. So this thing's already done. Uh, so in a deployment, if you need to convert into static files, this can be npm run build. We'll do that one. Otherwise, npm start is enough right now. And we are going to setting up React development and we have additional tools. You may need additional tools, libraries, state management, routing. This is if you have different pages and you need to move with the different pages and you need to set up CSS and use version control software like Git for version control. So that's all basic things. And the other one that we discussed in the beginning, running React online using code editors. This is also a very good idea. If you just need to check something, so here you can start coding, and it will automatically create some React because this one, okay, start coding. Here you need to create everything yourself, uh, but some other editors is very easy to create. JS Fiddle Code Sandbox is the best one. So here you can create something or repositories, setting sandbox. You need to choose some names or something, then open that, create sandbox, will automatically create a React JS application, and you can try all of the things that we demoed in our local. So everything is very easy, and we just go through JS field also. Some of the things will be here. This also an HTML one, and if you click on React, it will automatically create something, and you can try with that one also. And I am going to stack bits, repellate, and a demo I already shown, and local development environment and the history. So that's all about React basics. And in next video we will go to some state management. So if I am saying like for the state, so this is one component. So you need to manage some variable here. How you will do that? So you can have a variable defined here, and you need to use the use state to, yeah, to store that variable in the React component. So that's one of the things, and you need to pass some variable into the child component. So that's actually doing a concept called props. So we will discuss that in next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.